Deep within the humid forests of the world, a creature exists that seems a relic from an earlier time. The velvet worm, or onychophoran, is an enigmatic invertebrate, soft-bodied and slow-moving, yet an incredibly efficient predator. Its appearance belies a sophisticated hunting strategy that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. This ancient lineage of animals, often overlooked, harbors a secret weapon, a biological marvel designed for speed and precision. It's a testament to the ingenuity found in nature, allowing this seemingly vulnerable hunter to thrive. Velvet worms are unique among invertebrates, possessing a soft, segmented body covered in tiny sensory papillae that give them their velvety texture. Unlike insects or spiders, they lack an exoskeleton, relying instead on a hygrostatic skeleton for movement, much like an earthworm. They are typically nocturnal, creeping slowly through damp leaf litter and rotting wood, their numerous stumpy legs propelling them forward. This seemingly gentle demeanor, however, conceals a formidable predatory instinct, demanding a hunting method that defies their physical limitations. For a creature that moves at a snail's pace, hunting fast-moving insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates presents a significant challenge. A direct pursuit is out of the question. The velvet worm cannot rely on speed or powerful limbs to overpower its prey. It requires a specialized approach, a mechanism capable of striking from a distance and immobilizing targets quickly, without putting the vulnerable worm itself at risk. This fundamental problem shaped the evolution of its extraordinary hunting strategy, focusing not on brute force, but on elegant, rapid capture. The velvet worm's solution to this predatory puzzle lies in a pair of modified appendages located on either side of its head, known as oral papillae. These are not for grasping or chewing, but rather serve as the specialized nozzles for its unique weapon system. Each papilla is connected to an internal gland system, ready to unleash a remarkable biological adhesive. Their position, flanking the mouth, allows for precise targeting, turning the worm's head into a sophisticated aiming device, poised for a rapid, targeted strike. Deep within the velvet worm's body lie specialized structures, the enormous slime glands. These glands are not merely storage organs, they are factories continuously producing a complex protein-based liquid. This liquid is stored under immense hygrostatic pressure, generated by the worm's internal body fluids and muscular contractions. It is this pre-pressurized system that is key to the extraordinary speed of the slime's expulsion. The worm doesn't need to pump the slime, it's already primed and ready for an explosive discharge, a marvel of biological engineering. When a velvet worm detects prey, a rapid sequence of events unfolds. Muscles surrounding the slime glands contract instantly, forcing the high-pressure liquid through the oral papillae. The expulsion is not a gentle squirt, but a violent, ballistic jet. This rapid discharge means the slime travels at speeds that render it almost invisible to the unaided human eye. It's an explosive, microseconds-long event, transforming the worm from a slow crawler into a lightning-fast trap-setter, demonstrating a principle of fluid dynamics at its biological peak. The sheer force behind the slime ejection is remarkable. While the exact pressure generated is difficult to measure in such a small creature, studies suggest it is significant enough to propel the viscous liquid over many times the worm's body length. This powerful contraction allows for a broad, arcing spray, increasing the probability of hitting a fast-moving target. The precision lies not in a single stream, but in a distributed, net-like spread, ensuring even a slight miscalculation can still result in capture. It's a testament to the efficient muscle design. The true genius of the velvet worm's weapon lies in the slime itself. Initially, it's a liquid, allowing for rapid, unhindered expulsion. But upon contact with air, or within milliseconds of hitting its target, this liquid undergoes a dramatic transformation. It rapidly congeals and hardens, transitioning from a fluid to a highly adhesive, elastic solid. This immediate change is crucial, ensuring that the prey, even if it's struggling, becomes instantly entangled and immobilized before it has a chance to escape. It's a chemical reaction optimized for capture. As the slime is forcefully ejected, it doesn't just form a blob. Instead, the rapid expulsion causes the liquid to stretch and oscillate, forming multiple thin, sticky strands. These strands, often numbering in the dozens, spread out and entwine, creating an intricate, three-dimensional net. This living net is specifically designed to maximize surface area and entanglement efficiency. It's a finely tuned, biological casting net, precisely formed to ensnare and overwhelm targets that might otherwise be too agile or too large for the worm to tackle. The speed of the slime's hardening, coupled with its web-like structure, means that prey is almost instantly mired. The sticky strands wrap around limbs, antennae, and bodies, binding them securely. The more the prey struggles, the more entangled it becomes, often sealing its own fate. This rapid immobilization is paramount, as a struggling insect could easily damage the soft-bodied velvet worm. The net acts as a protective barrier and a secure trap, minimizing risk for the hunter while maximizing the chances of a successful meal. It's a perfect design. The velvet worm's slime is not just sticky, it's incredibly strong and durable. Once it hardens, it can withstand significant pulling forces from struggling prey, preventing escape. This strength is due to the unique protein composition of the slime, which forms robust molecular bonds upon contact with air. This makes the net a reliable cage, holding even relatively powerful insects firmly in place. The slime is also non-toxic, ensuring the prey remains fresh for consumption. It is a material designed for purpose, exhibiting impressive biophysical properties. Even with such a powerful weapon, precise aim is vital. Velvet worms possess rudimentary eyes that detect changes in light, but their primary sensory tools for hunting are their antennae. These flexible appendages constantly tap and explore their surroundings, detecting vibrations and chemical cues from potential prey. This sensory input is processed rapidly, triggering the slime ejection reflex with remarkable accuracy. It's a combination of simple sensory organs and an incredibly fast motor response that allows for the precise targeting of a moving mark. Once the prey is securely trapped in the sticky net, the velvet worm cautiously approaches its immobilized meal. With no strong jaws or piercing mouthparts, the worm must then liquefy its prey using digestive enzymes. It applies these enzymes to the prey's body, breaking down tissues externally. The resulting liquid is then sucked up, a unique feeding strategy facilitated by the complete immobilization provided by the slime net. The net not only catches but also secures the food until it can be consumed, a full-service hunting system. Remarkably, the velvet worm's hunting method is also resource efficient. After feeding, the worm can actually ingest or reabsorb much of the spent slime. This process allows it to recover valuable proteins and other components, effectively recycling its weapon. This reduces the energy expenditure needed to continuously produce new slime, making the hunting strategy not only effective but also sustainable. It's a closed-loop system, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency, another brilliant detail in its biological design. The faster-than-the-eye-can-see speed of the velvet worm's slime ejection is more than just impressive, it's a critical component of its survival. In the dense, competitive forest floor, every millisecond counts. This rapid strike minimizes the prey's reaction time, preventing escape and ensuring a successful capture against creatures often far more agile. Without this instantaneous deployment and transformation of its net, the slow-moving velvet worm would be at a distinct disadvantage, unable to compete with faster, more powerful predators. Speed truly is its ultimate weapon. The velvet worm stands as a remarkable example of specialized adaptation. Its entire physiology, from the internal pressure systems of its slime glands to the chemical properties of its adhesive and the rapid contraction of its muscles, is orchestrated to deliver a precise, high-speed, and effective hunting net. It highlights how even the most unassuming creatures can possess sophisticated mechanisms that allow them to thrive in challenging environments. The living net, firing faster than the eye can see, is not just a curiosity, it's a masterclass in biological engineering, perfectly crafted for purpose.